Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Did you complete your homework children? Did you complete your homework? I hope you have completed your homework. Glad to meet you once again through this online class. Let's get back to our maths class. The previous class we have studied ascending and descending orders, ordering of numbers, yes, ordering of numbers, making numbers, ascending and descending orders. And in this class we will study about successor and predecessor. Okay, in this class I have to study about successor and predecessor. What is successor? A number that comes immediately after a particular number is called its successor. Okay, a number that comes immediately after a particular number. Particular number means one set of numbers is called its successor. And predecessor means a number that comes just before a particular number is called predecessor. After a particular number means successor, before means predecessor. Okay, this is short form. After means successor. Okay, mama. After means successor, before means predecessor. Okay, number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. The number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. Now, what is the spelling for successor and predecessor? S U double C E double S O R. Successor. Okay. S U double C E double S O R. Successor. And A N D and P R E D E S S O R. Predecessor. Okay. Predecessor. Predecessor. C. Okay. C E double S O R. Predecessor. All of you see the board, see the letters and read with me, ma. Successor and predecessor. S U double C E double S O R. S U double C E double S O R. Successor. A N D and P R E D E C E double S O R. Predecessor. Okay, successor and predecessor. What is successor? What is successor, ma? A number which comes just after a given number is called its successor. Okay. What is predecessor? The number which comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. Okay. We can obtain the successor of a given number by adding 1 to it. Okay. By adding 1 to the given number. Okay, mama. Successor means we can adding 1 to the given number. Predecessor means we can subtracting 1 from the given number. We can subtracting 1 from the given number. Okay, Mama. Now we want successor means now we need the successor. They are given some sets of numbers, some digits of numbers. Okay, Mama. Now we want successor means we can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. They are giving some digits of number means we are adding 1 means we get successor. Predecessor means they are giving one sets of number means subtracting 1 means we will get predecessor. Okay, Mama. Successor means plus 1. Plus 1. Predecessor means minus 1. Okay, successor means plus 1. Predecessor means minus 1. Shall we see some example? 94. Okay, this is first one question 94. Now we have to write the successor. Successor means we can get the successor by adding 1 from the given number. By adding 1 from the given number. Okay, Mama? See here 94 plus 1. 94 plus 1, 95. The after number will come. Okay, Mama? Successor means 94 plus 1. 94 plus 1, 95. And predecessor, Predecessor. Predecessor means the given number 94 and subtract 1. By subtracting 1 from the given number. By subtracting 1 from the given number. 94 minus 1. 94 plus minus 1. Sorry, 94 minus 1. 93. So this is the answer for successor and predecessor. Successor answer is 95. Predecessor means 93. Do you understand, children? We want successor means we can to find successor means we can get the successor of a number by adding 1. We can get the successor value. Okay, Mama? Now the next one. Now the next one. 4. Okay. Now we have to find successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor. Okay. The given number is 4. Successor means we can add 1. We will get 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Predecessor means 4 minus 1 is equal to what will come? 3. 4 plus 1. All of you, can you listen my voice? Can you listen my voice, children? Okay. Then successor means we can get the successor of a given number by adding 1. Okay. Predecessor means subtracting 1 from the given number. Predecessor means subtracting 1 from the given number. Okay, Mama? Then 890. Okay, second question 890. Then successor SUCCSSOR. successor. We need successor means you add 1. Okay, successor means add 1. Predecessor means subtracting 1. Okay, Mama? Now, successor. 890 plus 1. 890 plus 1. What will come? If you add 1 means we will get the after number from the given number. Okay, Mama? இந்த நம்பர் கூடயும் நம்ம 1 ஆட் பண்ணும்போது ஆஃப்டர் நம்பர் கிடைக்கும். 1 வந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும்போது பிஃபோர் நம்பர் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவாமா? Now successor means 890 plus 1. Okay. 890 plus 1. What will come? 891. Then predecessor. 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 Okay. First you take and write the given number subtracting 1 from the given number. Okay, Mama? Subtracting 1 from the given number. 890 subtract 1. Okay, 890 minus 1. What is this symbol? Plus. This one is minus. Okay, Mama? Plus and minus. You can see here 890 minus 1. 800. What will come? 89. 889. Okay, shall we see the next one? Successor and predecessor. Successor means you can add plus 1 for the given number. Predecessor means you can subtract 1 from the given number. Okay. Then now all of you take your max note. All of you take your max note. Write the heading. Successor and predecessor. Take new page and write, ma. WRITE. 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 T height. E. PREDECESSOR. Predecessor. Write the predecessor. And SUCCSSOR. Successor. Write the predecessor and successor. The first one, 4895. 4895. This is how many digit number, ma? 4 digit number. 4 digit number starts from 1000. Yes or no? 4-digit number starts from 1000. This is how many thousand is here? 4000. Then 895. 895. Write the answer. Predecessor. 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 4895. Predecessor means subtract 1. Okay, so predecessor means subtract 1. 4895 subtract 1 means 4894. Yes, ma? Then successor. SUCCESSOR. Successor is equal to 4895 plus 1. Then we will get 4896. 95 plus 1, 96. You can find, we will get the after number. Then the second one. 7000. Write the answer for the given number. Predecessor. 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 7000 minus 1. You get 6999. Okay, Mama? Then successor. 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 7000 plus 1 is equal to 7001. 7000 plus 1 is equal to 7001. Now all of you take your max note. All of you take your max note. Write the heading in the middle of the note. Write the heading in the middle of the note. Successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor. SUCCESSOR. Successor. AND and PREDECESSOR. Predecessor. Successor and predecessor. Leave one finger space and write. WRITE, right? THE, PREDECESSOR. Predecessor. AND and SUCCESSOR. Successor. Write the predecessor and successor. See the first one question. 4895. 4895. Then write answer. After the margin line, you leave one finger space and start. Predecessor. Predecessor. Predecessor is equal to 4895 minus 1 is equal to 4894. Successor. Successor. Successor is equal to 4895 plus 1 is equal to 4896. To complete the first question means you leave one finger space and start the second one. 7,000. The second one 7,000. That is 4-digit number. 4-digit number starts from 1000. Then write the answer. Predecessor. Predecessor is equal to 7,000 minus 1 is equal to 6,999. 6,999. Then write the next line. Successor. Successor. Successor is equal to 7,000 plus 1 is equal to 7,001. 7,001. I'll have you write neatly. See the board and write. I will check your note. Write neatly without any one mistake. Okay, I am waiting for you. Write fast. I'll have you. Have you written, children? I hope you have completed. Now take the next page. I'll have you take the next page and write the third one. Okay. Getting no need for the next page. 49,380. Write the answer. Predecessor. 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 Predecessor means subtract 1 from the given number. Okay. First you should write the given number 49,380. Okay, children, all of you see the board. What is this number, ma? 49,380. Subtract 1 means Subtracting 1 means 49,379. Yes or no, ma? 80. And subtract 1 means 379. Then successor, yes, U double C E double S O R, successor. First, you have to write the given number 49,380 plus 1 is equal to 49,381. Okay, mama, 49,381. Then the fourth one, 99,999. Write the answer T R E D E C E double S O R, predecessor. 99,999 minus 1 is equal to 99,998. And successor, yes, U double C E double S O R, successor 99,999 plus 1 is equal to, what will come? 1 lakh. Okay, if you add 1 means, see here, 99,999. We are adding 1. Okay, mama? 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. You cut and write 0 here. Remaining 1 you carry on the next column. See here, 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1. 9 plus 1, 0. Remaining 1. 9 plus 1, 0. Remaining 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. 1 left. So no need to write. Write the predecessor and successor. The third one. Okay. All of you take new page and write. Okay, mama. Take the next page and write third and fourth one. The third question. 49,380. 49,380. Answer P R E D E C E double S O R, predecessor, is equal to 49,380 minus 1. 49,380 minus 1 is equal to 49,379 is equal to 49,379. Write the next line, successor, S U double C E double S O R, successor is equal to 49,380. 49,380 plus 1 is equal to 49,381. 49,381. Then leave one finger space and write. Second one, if you complete the first one means, you leave one finger space and write the fourth one question. 99,999. Write the answer. Predecessor. 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 Predecessor is equal to 99,991 minus 1. 99,999 minus 1 is equal to 99,998. Can you listen my voice, children? In successor, SUCCESSOR, successor is equal to 99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 lakh, is equal to 1 lakh. This is very easy, yes ma. Predecessor and successor. Predecessor means how to write minus 1, yes. They are given some digits of number. We can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Yes or no ma? We can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to each. We can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from each. Have you have it written, children? I hope you have completed. Yes or no ma? Yes, okay. Then homework. Today's homework. Take new page and mark it today homework. Is that you should write today's day and date. Is that you should write today's day and date. Then write the heading, write the predecessor and successor. Write the predecessor and successor. The first one, 4,000. Second one, 3,000. 567. Then the third one 846. Then the fourth one 96,893. And the fifth one 18,341. Okay, Mama, this is today homework. WRITE, right? THEDECESSOR. Predecessor. AND and SUCCESSOR. Successor. Write the predecessor and successor. This is today homework, ma. Write the predecessor and successor. The first one 4,000. 4,000. You should write answer, predecessor and successor. Then the second question answer, predecessor and successor. Class work method you should write. Okay, mama. Second one 3,567. Then 846. Then 96,893. Then 18,341. This is today homework. Okay, mama. We will see the next class, children. Take care.